Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So glad you guys could stop by. Today I'm here with a quick unboxing video. On my last video, I told you guys that I would try to um, unbox an item with you guys, an early Christmas gift. Well, one of my Christmas gifts. And this gift is from LV. As you can see, it is a small box. I do have this in the background because this is actually to give you guys a hint of the color of the item. So it is an SLG. This is my niece, BB, I believe. This is the not the smallest size, so I would say the middle size, and then they have one larger than this. And this is from the Colormania collection. Release is what I am unboxing today. So here's the box. Like I said, it's an SLG, so it is in the small box, and I just love the holiday packaging. I'm glad that I was able to get some items with this packaging, and I am going to keep this box to display in my glam room because I just think this beautiful blue, I just love this color. I love navy color. I like all shades of blue, but I do have a purse in this color, so I may actually use this ribbon for something. But I thought this was beautiful. So I'm just going to slide it off because I have to film another video for TikTok also. So I'm just going to slide it off. Like I said, SLG. And as you can see by the dust bag that it is a card holder. Look at that beautiful color. So this is the Romy card holder, I believe it's called, and it's in Pond something. I can't remember the name of the exact color, but I'll just say Pondy Pink. So I have a nickname for this color. I use this, it's multi-use. I use this as a bag for traveling, and then when I'm not traveling, I can use this as just a little quick top handle bag. For me, I know some people don't use these as actual bags, but I get use out of all of my bags. So yeah, but there is a zipper pocket. As you can see, it is the silver hardware instead of the gold, which matches just like the niece. There's the inside pocket. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but it has Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. It's pretty small, but it's in there in the silver color also. And it does have 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets on the back. This is similar to the Recto Verso, which I do have. I have 2 Recto Versos, one in Damier Azur and one in monogram, classic monogram in black. But of course the Recto Verso has the little pocket on the front. This one does not. There's not another pocket on the front, but you can put a lot of cards in here. So this will definitely come in handy for me. You guys know I love card holders and small wallets. I do have a few larger wallets, but in my smaller bags, I rather take something this size. So that's what I picked up from LV. I do have another bag, which I will reveal later. This will definitely be after Christmas. She's under the Christmas tree, but I do have another LV bag. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do an unboxing or just a reveal, maybe what's in my bag from the other bag. But if you guys want to see how I use this card holder and a bag, you know, use this as a purse or handbag, just let me know. So I have another little cutie to go along with her. So yeah, and Pondy Pink. I don't know what the, the actual name. I did see some ladies do an unboxing of another card holder, which was cute. I did see that on the website, but I do have, I think it's the Kirigami set. So I do have a card holder that's similar to the one that's in the Kirigami, and I do have a small Kirigami, so I said, you know, it's really no need for me to get another one, so that's why I picked this one out, because I don't have this exact style, so I don't have the Romy card holder, and they did come in some other beautiful colors, so I will insert a picture below of some of the other colors that it came in. And I believe after I ordered mine, I went back online to check some other things, and I just clicked on it, and then it says notify me. So usually that means that it's out of stock, or how long it's going to take them to restock this item, but it could be possibly back on the website now. But yeah, And I'm so excited that I did get the special Christmas wrapping for this. And like I said, I have a bag also. So I'm going to preserve these items because this blue is just beautiful. And it just says something in French. Louis Vuitton and something in French. But yeah. Okay guys, this was just a short video. Oh, I did not put her back in the dust bag. So yeah. Put her back in there. And it didn't come with the tag. I'm not sure if the SLGs don't come with the little tag. I mean, I do have the receipt. They did give me the receipt inside of the box. So I had the receipt in there. Maybe the tag is in here. I don't see it. Just the return label if you want to return. And then just a message I wrote myself just saying Merry Christmas. But yeah. Okay guys, and like I said, I will be back either for a what's in my bag of my new bag, or if I decide to do an unboxing of that. So you guys give me some feedback and let me know what you want to see. Okay? Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.